So let me show you now how to power on and use the AT1 public network walkie-talkie. First, install the SIM card. Remove the case and battery. Open the card slot and insert the SIM card. Then turn on the power.
Welcome to use the public network intercom. No groups.
There is no groups on initial startup. You can click the menu and select Create Group. Enter 14017. After creating a group, you will get a group invitation code. At the same time, you can turn on another public network walkie-talkie. Enter the invitation code to join the group. Join group OK. Now the two walkie-talkies are in the same group. They can talk to each other.
你好，你好。123 123。
If you need to use more functions, scan the code with your mobile phone to install the Ola Radio app. First, prepare a mobile phone. Turn on the scan function. Scan the device card included in the package. Download and install the Ola Radio app. Then log into the account. At this time, we can open the IMEI code of the device. Enter the public network intercom interface. Click Bind Device in the upper right corner. Scan the code to complete binding. After binding successful, we can bind the second device in the same way. Now, all devices are bound successfully. We can switch the group that the device belongs to. Click to join. After joining, the walkie-talkie and the mobile phone can communicate in real time.
你好，你好，你好。你好，你好。
What's more, you can modify the relevant group information in the app, such as group name, avatar, invitation code, and device sharing settings. If you want to know the device location, click to enter the device details interface. Enable location upload and sharing. And view the device's real-time location. If you want to turn off the custom grouping function of the device, please turn off the custom group switch. At this time, the device will be completely turned off, and the custom grouping function cannot be unbound.